Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you were watching this and you are still trading meme coins, bro, this video might be the most important thing you watch all year. I have not traded a single meme coin in a long time, but instead what I do is I dev them instead. I just create viral coins, I let the buyers buy my coin, and then I cash out on everyone. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars deving in the past couple of months, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly why deving is the smarter move to do in 2026, and I'm going to do a live launch right now in front of you so you can see exactly what you can make from deving. This phantom wallet right here is living proof that deving meme coins is profitable in today's economy. Now in this video I'm showing you my full process from funding a narrative, from launching it, everything A to Z in this video. I will even do a live launch to show you exactly how it's done. Let's get straight to it. Now let me explain to you exactly why trading meme coins is the hardest way to make money in this space and why deving is way better than trading every single time. Because look, when you trade a meme coin, think about what you are actually doing. You are basically buying inside a coin that someone else created themselves. Someone else controls the coin, and someone else has already planned their entire exit from before you even found the coin. Every single transaction that comes inside a meme coin, okay, the dev takes a percentage from that and he generates income from all the buyers, and after that he makes money from his supply when he dumps the coin. So the devs, they make money from every single transaction coming in the coin, and they make money from their supply when they cash out. That's exactly why I stopped trading and I started creating my own coins instead. Because by the way, bro, it costs nothing to launch a coin. It costs nothing. It all depends to your narrative. The narrative is the most important thing about the coin. It determines how much you make from your launch. So if you are unprofitable right now from trading, I would highly recommend to start deving, or at least give it a shot. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find a narrative, where to launch a meme coin, how to launch a meme coin, okay? And then I will even do a live example to show you guys exactly how to do it from A to Z, and I will show you exactly how much I make from my coin, all in this video. I am not here to sell you a stupid course. I'm just here to educate you and to show you how it's done. And by the way, bro, everything said in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Now guys, here is where most devs go wrong. They try to launch meme coins on Pump.Fun and they expect to make money from launching here. But the truth is that Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There are too many coins coming out every single second on Pump.Fun. It's overflooded, okay? There's, I would say, thousands of coins launching every single day on Pump.Fun, and most of these coins, they go nowhere. They get no buyers and they are just dead. So that's exactly why I have a different strategy that is way more profitable than launching on Pump.Fun, and that is by launching on the Raydium DEX directly instead of Pump.Fun. It has more volume, more credibility, and when a coin migrates to Raydium, it gets a bunch of attention, bro. Let me just tell you that. It's insane. And it's untapped. Most devs do not even know that you can launch directly to Raydium. Now look, to create a coin to Raydium directly, do not use Pump.Fun because it will have to reach a $35,000 migration price. Instead, make your coins on Create Meme.io. It's the best launchpad for Raydium because every single coin that you launch right here goes to Raydium immediately, reaching thousands of people, and that's exactly what we need, right? For our coin. That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now look, to actually create a coin here, you have multiple strategies. The first one is to create a coin custom made from scratch. Now this is good if you have a narrative in mind, if you have a project, a community, it could be anything. You can make it here, just follow these steps, right? It's really easy. Or you can use their free Twitter tracker, right? And you can turn tweets that are coming out right now, you can turn these tweets into coins immediately and have a faster edge than all the other devs. Or you can use my favorite strategy, which I will show you exactly how to do in today's video, and that is vamping meme coins. Look, vamping is the same thing as copying trending coins. All these coins have a good narrative, they're all going viral, and they all have a bunch of buyers in these coins, which means they have a proven narrative. We will be using these narratives, right, to make a new coin, which is a duplicate, and we will be launching these coins back to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers, okay? That is a strategy. Let me show you how though. Now it's time to make some money, bro. Let me show you how to dev a coin. Now, connect your Phantom wallet, right? It's really easy, just like this, Phantom. Click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy, okay? I'm gonna copy the, I don't know which one, Apple. Why not? I chose it completely from randomness, okay? Yeah. Click on copy the Raydium, right? Your Phantom wallet is going to show up right here. Just ignore the block, it's completely safe and normal, okay? Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be vamped or created. Just skip it a couple seconds. Bang, bro! If I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on chain. Everything is working perfectly. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we will be creating the Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, the coin can be live, and like that, we will have supply before everyone else. Now first of all, you need to allocate your supply. Just click on 90%. This is good and enough for your meme coin. For the amount of SOL right under for the second step, here is where you will be exchanging some of your Solana for some supply. Like that, you can make profits as a creator of your own coin. Put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana, okay? And if you want this back later on, you can at any moment. It is not a loss. You can get it back at any time. Once you exit at the end, it will come back to you. So it's not a big deal, right? Now click on create the liquidity pool. Your Phantom wallet should appear right here. In the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the Apple coin is live. Your P&L is going to show up right there. And if you want to see how much you're up now after like 10 seconds, click on refresh. And as you guys can see here, bro, our P&L is now at a $230 like profit. This is actually insane. This means people are aping it instantly because the coin is brand new, which means our copy was insane. Now go on Photon, go on Axum, go on your trading platform to see the coin. Okay, let me go on the lower time frame, the 1 second chart. Things are looking insane. It's all green. Oh my god, bro, so many people are buying in. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys have to start living today. Look at this, it's all fucking green. Fucking there's volume coming in at every single second. 2.2k market cap. Things are insane. We're already up like 500 bucks, 800 bucks if I had to guess. This is insane. Now look, all you have to do is just let your coin ride. Do not clip profits right now. Just let your coin go up and up and up and let the attention kick in, okay? And remember, you have nothing to lose. This coin costed us nothing to create, which is insane. Now I'm gonna give this coin a couple seconds for the pump. And yeah, bro, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we're at a 4.5k market cap, 2k liquidity. Let me show you exactly how to cash out once you want to cash out, right? So come back to create meme.io and obviously, bro, once again click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, 2.5 bands is what you are going to receive if you cash out right now, right? Well, maybe your coin might be a bit different. It might be a bit less or a bit more, you don't know. But click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up right here, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin, and we should have made 2.5 bands. Let me check. Bang, bro, we made $2,500 from this coin, which is around 28.96 Solana. That is absolutely insane. I would recommend everyone right now to start deving. Obviously, it is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Create meme.io will be linked down below, bro. Stay consistent, launch coins, bro, over and over again, and that is the method, bro. Peace out.